Good morning, my dear students. I hope so you all are fine and you are doing practice also, right? So till now we have done exercise 10.5. So today I am starting exercise 10.6. So last exercise we have done of the addition. Now in this exercise we have to do subtraction, right? Subtract the following is the first question. So first question I am taking here, this is the first part. They already arranged in the column, like one side kilometer and one side meter. So this is the given 139 kilometer and 72 meter, then 100 kilometer and 218 meter. They arrange like this. Now we have to subtract. Always we have to do subtraction addition from the which side, one side. So we have to start from this. Now see, this is 2 and this is 8. 2 cannot subtract 8. So what we will do? Take borrow. Borrow from where? This 7. If 7 is giving borrow to this 2, this is 12 now, and here is 6. So 12 minus 8, 4, and here 6 minus 1, 5. Here 0. So 0 cannot subtract any number. So 0 will also take the borrow from the previous number. So previous number is here 9. So 9 will give borrow here. So this is now 10. And here 8. So 10 minus 2, 8. Here 8 minus 0, 8. 3 minus 0, 3. And 1 minus 1, 0. This way we have to do subtraction. Now third part I am taking here of this. Here liter and milliliter they given. In liter they given 1155 and 245 milliliter. From this we have to subtract 765 liter and 675 milliliter. Subtract. Start from this side, ones column. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 cannot subtract 7, so take borrow from this 2. So this is now 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Here 2 given borrow, so this 1 left. 1 cannot subtract 6, so 1 will take borrow from this 5. So now this is for 11 minus 6, 5. Here 5 given borrow, 4 left. 4 cannot subtract 5. It will take borrow from 5. So now 14 minus 5 is 9. Here 4 left. So 4 cannot subtract 6. Again this will take borrow from 1. So now 14 minus 6, 8. Here 1 given borrow. So here 0 left. But 0 cannot subtract 7. So it will take borrow from this one. So this is 10 now. 10 minus 7 is 3. So the answer is here 389 liter and 570 milliliter. Now the question number B is subtract. They given 118 meter 75 centimeter from 310 meter 53 centimeter. In this type of question of subtraction, if from is there in between, so what is the meaning of the from? Means the first one number, this you have to subtract from the second number. Always whenever the in between the from will come, so the first number you will subtract from the second number. So in the column, the second number we have to write first. Keep this thing in your mind. The second number we have to write on the top, like meter and centimeter. Now in meter column 310, in centimeter column 53. Add down. Meter 118, so after down of 310, 118. 75 centimeter, down of 53. One more thing I want to clear you here. If you can see, 75 is bigger than 53. And from the bigger always we have to subtract. But here the complete number is 310 meter and 53 centimeter. This is not the individual 53 and 75. Right? They are all together. 310 meter 53 centimeter. So 310 is bigger. So this means the complete number is the bigger one. From this we have to subtract. So if 75 is not subtraction, cannot subtract by 53, so what we will do? Take borrow. So 3 cannot subtract 5, so take borrow from this 5. So 13 minus 5, 8. 5 cannot subtract, 5 given borrow, so here 4 left. 4 cannot subtract 7, so it will take borrow from this 0. 0 cannot give borrow, so what? Firstly this will take borrow from this one. So now this is 10. 10 giving borrow here, 14 now. This given borrow, so this is now 9. 14 minus 7, 7. 9 minus 8, 1. Here 1 given borrow, here 0 left. Again 0 will take borrow from this 3. So this is 10 now. 10 minus 1, 9. And here 2 minus 1, 1. Please keep this concept clear how to subtract. Now one more part I am taking for you here. This is 571 kilometer 296 meter from 892 kilometer. Now you can see in this meter is given, but in this meter part is not there. But we have to write in the column. So kilometer, meter. Kilometer is given 892. but meter they are not given any value. So what we can keep? 0, 0 and 0, because we have to subtract here. So the next number is 575 kilometer and 296 meter. So here you can see if we will not write any number, so how we can subtract? So that's why we have to use here 0, 0 and 0. Now subtract. 0 cannot subtract 6, so firstly they will take borrow from this 2. This 2 is given borrow here 10, 10 is giving borrow here 9, right? Sorry, this is 10, now this will give borrow here 10 and this is 9. Now 10 giving borrow here this 10, now this is 9. So 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 2 7, 1 minus 1 0, 9 minus 7 2 and 8 minus 5 3. Like this you have to subtract. Now 6th part I am taking of question number B. This is 317 liter and 346 millimeter from 978 liter 5 milliliter, right? Now you can be confused, this from this number we have to subtract, and this given only the 1-digit number. So as you know that where there is nothing, what we can do? 0, 0 we can keep. So liter and milliliter, write here 978, here write 5. So at the place of tens and 100 nothing is there, so write 0 and 0. At the down write 317 liter and here 346 milliliter. Now start subtraction from one's column. Now 5 cannot subtract 6, so 5 will take borrow from 0. 0 cannot take so now take from here. 8 is giving borrow firstly this 0. So here 7, now here 10. Now this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this is 9 and this is 10. Now this 10 will give borrow to 5. So here 5, here 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. And 9 minus 3, 6. So the answer is 660 liter and 659 milliliter. This is the way to subtract if from is given in between. It means the first one number we have to subtract from the second number. Now the C part is saying find the difference between. The thing is same, subtraction, minus or difference. We have to do the same. But here you can see how they given the question. 527 kilometer, 66 meter and 450 kilometer. In between you can see here and is there. What is there? And. So we have to only find out which number can subtract which number. Here from is not there, right? So we have to only find out. Now you can see here this is 527 kilometer, 66 meter and here only 450 kilometer. So which one is bigger? This one. So what we will do? In kilometer 66 meter and at the down 450 kilometer. In the meter column nothing is there, so what we can write here? 0, 0. Now subtract 6 minus 0, 6 minus 0, 6, 7 minus 0, 7, 2 cannot subtract 5, so 2 will take borrow from here. This is 12 minus 5, 7 and here 4 minus 4, 0, right? Now see the next part I am taking. This is 628 kg, 230 gram and 882 kg, 158 gram. Now in the column of kg and gram we have to write. So which one is bigger? You only have to compare. You can do one thing, the bigger one you need only compare. This is kg 628 here, this is kg 882. So which one is bigger? This one. So take this one number 882 kg and in gram 158. At down 628 kg 230 gram. One more thing, you cannot interchange the number. Like this is bigger, you cannot write on the top 231 and down 158. That means your answer will come wrong. So if 882 kg is here with 158 kg, so that will only come. Now subtract 8 minus 1 7, 5 minus 3 2, 1 cannot subtract, so 1 will take borrow. So here 11 minus 2 9, here 1 left, so taking borrow, then 11 minus 8 3, here 7 minus 2 5 and 8 minus 6 2. So like this way you have to do subtraction. Subtraction is very easy. You know the concept of the taking borrow, but you know how to arrange and which number